Good morning, students. Today we are going to start next chapter. Chapter number is 11 and name of the chapter is Google Drive. In this chapter we will cover following topics. First is Google Drive and its advantages, getting started with Google Drive, organizing files and folders, sharing a file or folder, sharing with a link, signing out from Google Drive. Firstly, we will discuss Google Drive. Google Drive is a free service from Google that enables you to store and share files online and access them anytime and anywhere using the cloud. It offers 15 GB of free storage space that facilitates you to store all kinds of files and documents on it. You can store unlimited amount of photos, drawings, recordings, videos, text documents and much more. The files stored on Google Drive can be opened and edited from any device. So Google Drive is a free service from Google that enables users to store and share files online and access them anytime and anywhere with the help of a cloud. And it offers 15 GB of free storage space that will facilitate you to store all kinds of files and documents on it. You can store unlimited amount of photos, recordings, videos, documents and much more. The files stored on Google Drive can be opened and edited from any device. So it is a safe place to back up and access all your files from any device. Google Drive is a file storage and synchronization service developed by Google, launched on April 24, 2012. It allows users to store files on their servers, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Google Drive encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides, which are a part of the Google Docs Office suite that permits collaborative editing of documents, spreadsheets, presentations, drawings, forms, and more. Files created and edited through Google Docs suite are saved in Google Drive. Users can change privacy settings for individual files and folders, including enabling sharing with other users or making content public. It depends upon the user. Along with storing files, you can create, share and manage many types of files on Google Drive, such as documents, spreadsheet, presentation, forms, drawings, etc. Google Drive is a key component of Google Workspace, Google's monthly subscription offering for businesses and organizations. As of May 2007, there were over 2 trillion files stored on the service. Note, the Google Drive can be accessed offline on the Google Chrome browser via a Chrome app, which can be installed from Chrome web browser. So Google Drive can also be accessed offline on the Google Chrome browser with the help of a Chrome app, which can be installed from the Chrome web store. So you can access Google Drive offline as well. Google also offers various storage plans with a monthly subscription. Google also offers various storage plans, different storage plans along with the different monthly subscription. The storage capacity of Google Drive can be increased from 100 GB to 30 TB. TB stands for terabyte. From 100 GB to 30 TB according to your storage plans. If your data that need to be stored is large, then you can choose from the various storage plans and increase the capacity of the Google Drive according to your requirements. Next is advantages of Google Drive. Following are the advantages of Google Drive. First is easy uploading and storing. With Google Drive, one can easily upload any type of files such as documents, drawings, photos, videos, etc. online. So with the help of Google Drive, users can easily upload any type of file online. And the advantage of keeping your file online is that it eliminates the need to send a file as an email attachment or save it on any storage device. So the advantage of easy uploading and storing is that you do not need to send the file as an email attachment or save it on the secondary storage device for further use. As the file is stored online, you can easily access it when that particular file is required. Second, easy editing of files. Google Drive gives you an instant access to Google Docs, a suite of editing tools that allows you to edit and make changes to your file. So Google Drive also provide easy editing of files. You can have instant access to the Google Docs, that is a suite of editing tools using which you can edit and make changes to your file. Third, remote access from any device. The files stored on Google Drive can be easily accessed from any computer, tablet or a smartphone with an internet connection. So the files that are stored on Google Drive can be easily accessed from any computer, tablet or smartphone with the help of an internet connection. Easy searching. Google Drive has its own efficient search engine that allows you to find information on any topic easily. Google Drive provides the feature of searching by keyword and filtering by file type that helps in accessing the files quickly. So Google Drive also provides an efficient search engine that allows you to find information on any topic easily, and it also provides the feature of searching with the help of a keyword, or you can filter the search with the help of a file type. It will help in accessing the files easily. Sharing files with your friends. Users can easily share the created and uploaded files with others. This in turn enables them to collaborate on their work and manage a single document with the participation of each one in making modification. You can easily share your files with your friends. So user can easily share the created file and upload file with others, and it will enable them to collaborate on their work. Users can view the file and can collaborate with each other and manage the single document, but also requires the participation of each one in making the modification in the file and maintaining the single document of that file. You can set the permission where your user can either view, edit, comment on your stuff or all of them. It depends upon you. It is a cloud-based storage solution that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet or computer. Drive also makes it easy for others to edit and collaborate on files. Open discussion. You can create and reply to comments to get feedback and make files more collaborative, and it can be done by commenting directly on the file. So you can create and reply to the comments to get a feedback of your file and make file more collaborative, and it can be done by commenting directly on the file, as the user can view your file if there is any negative point about that particular file, or user think that this thing has to be modified or has to be changed. They can directly comment on your file and you can view the comment and make the necessary changes, and you can make your file collaborative, as the more and more user can view your file and reply about the file with the help of the comments, and you can view the comment and make the necessary changes afterwards. Free of cost. Google provides 15 GB of storage space with the facility to upload, access and share files free of cost. So Google Drive provides 15 GB of storage space that is free of cost, and you can access and share files in it. However, users can buy a large storage plan if required. If there is requirement, user can buy large storage plan if 15 GB storage space is less for them. Free web-based applications. Google Drive also gives access to free web-based applications for creating documents, spreadsheets, presentations, forms, drawings, and much more. Google Drive also gives access to the free web-based applications if you want to create a document, spreadsheet, presentations, and many more. You can choose the application and make the necessary application. Getting started with Google Drive. Accessing Google Drive. To use Google Drive, the user is required to have a Google account. If you want to use the Google Drive, you need to create a Google account. To access Google Drive, follow the following steps. Visit www.google.com and sign in with your Gmail account by giving the valid username and password. Your Gmail account window opens. Firstly, you need to open the www.google.com and then you need to sign in with your Google account by entering your valid username and password. Then your Gmail account window opens. Now click on the Google Apps Launcher button. This is the Google Apps Launcher button. Click on here, that is located at the top right corner of the web page. A list of options appear. And then select the Google Drive icon from the list and Google Drive window will opens. Next is uploading a file or folder. Now Google Drive is open. Now you can upload a file or folder on it. To upload a file to your drive, choose the upload files option from the My Drive drop down list or click on new button and select the file upload. There are two ways to upload a file. Firstly, choose the upload files option from the My drop down list. This is the My drop down list. Click on it and then from the options choose the upload file option. Second way is click on new button and select the file upload. You can choose the any way that suits your requirement. Then an open dialog box will appear. Here you can browse and select the file that you want to upload and then click on the open button. A pop-up window will appear notifying the status of your document. And then once completed, the uploaded file will appear in the Google Drive folder. Similarly, you can upload a folder either by clicking on the upload folder option from the My Drive drop-down list or by selecting the folder upload option from the new button. The Browse for Folder dialog box opens. Select the folder that you want to upload and click on OK. Same step is here. From My Drive, choose Upload Folder option or from New, choose Folder Upload option. Then Browse for Folder dialog box will appear. Select the folder that you want to upload and then click on OK button. Once you upload the files to Google Drive, you can manage, organize, share and access them from anywhere. Once your file has been uploaded to Google Drive, you can share that file, manage that file, organize and access them from anywhere. You can also edit your file online, but for that it is required to convert them to a Google Drive format. But if you want to edit the file online, then you need firstly to convert that file to the Google Drive format if you want to do changes online on that file. Let's know more. To edit an uploaded file online, it is required to convert it to a Google Drive format. So if you want to edit uploaded file online, you firstly need to convert that file to a Google Drive format. This is the steps that are followed to convert it to Google Drive format. Firstly, click on settings icon on top right corner of the web page. You need to select the settings option from the top right corner of the screen. In the settings dialog box, select the checkbox in front of convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format under the convert uploads section and then click on done. From the settings dialog box, you need to select the checkbox of convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format under the convert uploads section. Convert upload sections, then you need to select the checkbox, that is convert uploaded file to Google Docs editor format, and then click on done button. The format of the uploaded file will be changed to the Google Drive format, and you can edit the uploaded file online easily. Let's know more. You can easily download a file for offline access. If you want to view the file offline, you can download that file for offline access. To do so, locate and right click the file and select download from the displayed list of options. Firstly, you need to locate that file and then right click on that file and select the download option from the displayed list of options. Your file will be downloaded for offline access. Know the fact, Google Drive was launched on April 24, 2012, and it is a cloud-based storage solution with the help of which you can save files online and access them anywhere from with the help of your smartphone. And it is a safe place where you can upload your file and you can make the necessary changes with the help of the Google suites that provide the Google Docs Office suite. You can make the necessary changes on the file that you had uploaded in the Google Drive. Thank you.